Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as we have already completed our first two challenges, let's take up our third challenge now, which is use product option to construct bundles. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our app launcher, and here we are just going to click on Salesforce CPQ. So guys, in order to complete this challenge, it is mandatory to complete our first challenge. So here let's go to our products and just change this view to all products. So in search, I'm just going to search for projector. So once if you get the result, just click on this projector and let's go to our related tab, and here you will find this option. We are just going to click on new. So in this optional SKU, we are just going to search for projector screen. So guys, here I'm just going to search for projector screen. So once if you get the result, just click on it, and I'm just going to check the selected checkbox as well. So for number, we are just going to give 10, and for quantity we are just going to give 1. So once if it is done, click on save and new. So for our second product, we are just going to search for this projector ceiling mount. So let's search for projector. So it is right over here, just select this, and for number we are just going to provide 20 and quantity as 1. So once if it is done, click on save and new again. We are having one more product as well over here. So now we are just going to search for projector bulb. So once if you get the result, click on it, and for number we are just going to give 30 and quantity as 2, and just select this quantity editable checkbox. So once if it is done, click on save, and now let's go to our codes tab. So here just change the modification to all. So here we are just going to choose projector for training room, and just click on this code which is on our right side. So once if it is done, click on edit lines, and followed by add products. So there is no need to click on drop down, we can directly click on add products. So guys, here in search product we are just going to search for projector. So once if you get the result, just click on search. So here we are going to add projector, projector bulb, projector ceiling mount, as well as projector screen. So once if it is done, just click on select, followed by save. And click on save again, and now let's go to our products. Here we are just going to pin all, and in search list just search for projector. So if it is available, you can select directly. If it is not available, we are just going to pin all products and then search for projector. So once if you get the result, just click on it, followed by edit. So here just close this, and here you will find options. Just click on this options, and now just click on this drop down, followed by edit. If you scroll down, you will find this bundle under pricing. We are just going to check this checkbox, followed by save. So So we are going to do the same for next two option as well. Just click on edit, scroll down and check this bundle followed by save, and again choose drop down followed by edit, scroll down, click on bundle followed by save. So yeah guys, hopefully we have completed this challenge as well. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our third challenge as well. Remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.